Hindi umiyak ka. Hindi ko pa-promise na hindi ako maiiyak kasi grabe itong part na to. I shared the stage with icons and powerful women, yung mga friends ko on stage. But there's one icon in my life. One powerful woman in my life. And that's my mom. She's here right now, and my mom has been the bedrock of my life, and she has always been there. Mag-isang kami niyan partners namin ni Mama lagi. And galing pa yung States, galing pang US yan, lumipad yan, kakalapag nilang kahapon to join us and celebrate our 10th year tonight. So she's been my #1 supporter ever since. And I mentioned earlier that I shared the stage with such amazing women, but you are the ultimate woman in my life. So I want to take this moment to share my gratitude and my appreciation and my love for this person. This is for you. When the visions around you brings tears to your eyes, and all that surrounds you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope. Keep it your faith when it's gone. And when you should call, we're standing here all alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Till the day my life is through, this I promise you. This I promise you. I will love you forever. In lifetimes before. And I promise you never will you hurt. Hindi daw siya nakapaghanda. Sana pala nagpag-lam din daw siya. Hindi niya alam na ipo-focus pala siya ng camera. Sabi mo, nakikimam din. I need a little bit of break. Butik na akong naiyak dumating ka. Buti na bigyan. Pwede pa ba kumanta ba? Okay ba po ba? Sulitin na natin itong Friday night natin. I'd like to sing more songs for you guys. Itong susunod na kanta po ay kinanta ko rin during The Voice of the Philippines competition. You know, honestly, I didn't really have any expectations going into the competition. No? Parang sumali ako, of course, with the hopes of making it all the way to the finals and winning, pero I had no expectations going into it. So, nung kinanta ko tong song na to, first time ko pong manalo sa votes, first time ko manalo sa botohan. Dito yun eh. Grabe yung intention namin dito. Nakatayo kami doon, tapos in-announce na, Jason, pasok ka na sa next round. Ganyan. So, laki pa sa salamat ko dito sa song na to kasi this is the one that, nagsink in sa akin na in very real possibility that maybe I could actually win the whole thing and become The Voice. So, I'd like to dedicate this to all of you who supported me ever since. And again po, samahan niyo po ako sa pagkanta. Ang nag-iisa, walang ba? Dapat bang isipin, walang hanggan? Asahan mo na hindi kita iwan kahit kailan, hindi kita pababayaan kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Tulong ng iyong damdamin, pag-ibig na ang siyang nais kong magkakaan. Niyona'y narito ako na nag-umibig sa iyo, na walang kalasan. Dapat bang isipin, walang hanggan? Asahan mo, hindi naman yan. Hindi ka iwan, hindi kita bababayaan kahit kailan. Sasama kita hanggang sa huli. Kahit kailan